This is the powerless swivel, but a lot of them are similar. There's a complaint that online that people that use these are saying that the cord is located at the bottom of the unit, as you can see here. And what ends up happening is as you roll around, you end up rolling over the cord. See if I can get it to happen here, like this. And of course, then you have to bend over and pick it up and rearrange it. Here's a simple hack. No tools required. As long as you have the loop at the top, or the holder at the top that has the hole in it. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Take your cord from the bottom, make a loop, shove it through. Take the plug end, shove it through, and pull all that 30 feet of cord all the way through. You can tighten this up a little bit, tight as you feel necessary, creating a pretty standard half knot there. And then you can wind it up like you normally would, top to bottom. You'll end up with your feed and not in your way anymore. Problem solved.